Goldman Sachs to enter crypto market soon with custody play. Market wrap Bitcoin dips to 34.4 as big name DeFi token Tron's ETH. Kraken to halt XRP trading for US resident. MaxGoth creditors can claim 90% of Bitcoin left in bankruptcy. Mahadao algorithm value coin goes live on Ethereum. Some Asian traders are using Polkadot to predict Bitcoin future. Right now, Bitcoin is trading at 37,467. If you want this kind of video and crypto news, don't forget to watch until the end. Press the like button and subscribe. So, let's get into it. Okay, so here we have fear and greed index, and as you can see, it's coming down to 84%, which I've been telling from last few videos. Let's have a quick review on coin market cap, and here you can see that Bitcoin is going sideways, Ethereum, but other coins like Polkadot, Cardano, and Chainlink are all-time high at the moment. Polkadot is about $18, Chainlink is about 22 all-time high, and that's always happened. Like when Bitcoin goes sideways, these kind of coins always go all-time high. And there are also Uniswap is about $9, Aave is about 196, and there are also some potential coins like Mahadao. If you are not looking this, check at this is definitely a potential coin. And also Polkadot is one more which have just turned on the top 5 and now is on number 4. It's just get it over XRP. So these are the good project. I mean, definitely you can always enter this. I'm trying to make a video of top 5 coins for 2021, and these are the two one of them. Whenever there's a dip, I think it's good to accumulate this coin as well if you are also looking for an altcoin. Okay guys, so now here we have Bitcoin US dollar chart, and let's start with 4-hour chart. And here you can see we are just going sideways and we blow on the 4-hour 20 weekly moving average, and then we become a little bit up, we have a bounce, and then we break this resistance and we come down, and we exactly bounce from this 100 weekly moving average at 34,250, and now we are just dancing around on 20 weekly moving average. So this is the point at which we need to have a clear look that if we go have a rebound and we can go up, that would be very nice for Bitcoin, but it can also break and then we can go down, and if that happens then we are definitely a bearish at the moment. And same thing on 1-hour chart. Here you can see that we can see have some bearish divergence as well, and RSI is totally normal. We can go up, we can go down, and people are taking profit, and that can be a double top that Bitcoin have just reached all-time high about 42 and then above 40, and now it's just going down, but it's still too early to say. We still have a chance, we still in bullish, so we have to break this 37.200, and after that the next target will be 40, and then it will be 42, and if those targets are broke then the bullish target will be 50,000. And definitely I think I'm smelling something. We just need to wait and see where the Bitcoin goes. And if we also go on 1-day chart, every extreme, we almost have this touchdown, which was exactly good and healthy correction. On 1 day we are a little bit bearish, we can also go a little bit sideways, and we can still come under 34, and then we can go. I mean, definitely it's not a good idea to short Bitcoin on bullish learn, but people still do that and make money of it, so you have to be very careful. Here you can see that we have been above about 42, and then we have a higher high about 40, and then we come back to weekly, and weekly RSI is getting normal. And if there's a possibility that we can see some bearish diversion as well on weekly, but at the moment we are still bullish, everything is right, and we just have to wait and see that if Bitcoin go and break 40 and 42,000 and then 50,000. If not, then definitely we are a bearish in the mid and short term, and we can easily come and touch about 34, and if we break this one then it go 28. So these are the one for the bullish and bearish target, so keep an eyes on those levels guys. Okay, so now we have Ethereum US dollar 1-day chart, and here you can see that Ethereum is totally bullish. Yes, I'm always bullish on Ethereum after Bitcoin, and I mean we are definitely running up, and that can also lead Bitcoin to go up as well. because sometimes what happened that Bitcoin leads the rally and Ethereum follows. But in this case can also happen that Ethereum lead the rally and Bitcoin follows. And as you can see that we are going a little bit up, and here you can see that the Ethereum is totally bullish on 1 hour chart. RSI topping up, it can still go until 80. We have bullish diversion, and we can easily come until 12:15, and we are still bullish on Ethereum. If we go on 4 hour chart, we can see that we are far away from 20 weekly moving average, which is at 1189, and we are almost like $100 above, which is very bullish, and this is good for Ethereum. And definitely Ethereum is also waiting for Bitcoin to move, and once that move happens, Ethereum will go on the top. And here you can see that RSI, after getting quite high, now we are getting normal, and here after a little bit bearish diversion, now we are going on green candles. So definitely we can easily top until 1400. I think the next target will be 1350 or 1400, and then the next target will be 1500 for Ethereum in short run. And if on daily, if we want to see bullish, the ultimatum bottom in this bull run we can see right now is 1052. So these are the targets which we have to see on Ethereum. Okay, so let's start with some crypto news. The first bullish news I would like to share, guys: Goldman Sachs to enter crypto market soon with custody play. Goldman, JP Morgan, and Citi are said to be looking at crypto custody. It's mean now US banking, and also you can save your crypto also at banks. Definitely that's not ideal, but I think that's definitely a bullish news. US banking powerhouse Goldman Sachs and issue a request for information RFI to explore digital asset custody, according to a source inside the bank. So I told you guys, like, first they ignore you, then they fight you, and then you win. And that's gonna actually happen, that big names like JP Morgan, Goldman, and Citi, the three big US banks, are watching in relation to crypto custody. But definitely always remember, not your keys, not your Bitcoin. So I will never ask you or never advise you to save it there. But for many people, I think that would be easier to save with these big giants as well, and that's how Bitcoin go up to 100,000 to this bull run in this year. Market wrap: Bitcoin dips to 34.4 as big name DeFi token trounced. Bitcoin may be down, but there is still growing demand for crypto assets. Bitcoin was slipping on Friday. Bitcoin trading around 35,000. Bitcoin 24-hour range is 34 to 39, and that's what I told you, that we have to break this 40,000 right now, because this is the resistance we are acting at the moment. And if we fell back under 30,000, that would be a bearish scenario at the moment. But so far so good. The price reset at 40,000. Now we are waiting to roll back at 34. And I told you guys, and here you can see a very informative chart: Bitcoin volumes by exchange 2021, and now they are getting less. What does mean? Is mean that Bitcoin are less present on exchanges. It mean people are not selling, they are just buying and turning them and sending them to their cold wallet, which is very bullish. Other market: Cosmos is up, Chainlink is up, OMG is up, and also losers are Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and Stellar, which I've never been a big fan on. Always have to be Ethereum and Bitcoin. The next news is Kraken to halt XRP trading for US residents as well. I told you guys there's gonna be a snowball effect, and that's what happened. First it was Coinbase, then it was Binance, then it was Phoenix, and now it's Kraken as well. The halt, which goes into effect 30th January 1 a.m. UTC, only affect Kraken clients residing in the US. They can always use PVPN, but I was definitely not a big fan of that. I mean, if you really want to trade that kind of XRP or any kind of thing which is banned, you definitely go in that country which is crypto friendly. Next news is empty gosh, creditor can claim 90% of Bitcoin left in bankruptcy. I mean, this is a huge news. Creditor of the bankrupt cryptocurrency exchange Mt. Gox will be presented with the option to claim up to 90%. So if you have lost, you can definitely claim up to 90%. If you have lost like one Bitcoin, you can claim up to 0.9 Bitcoin, which is a good thing. And definitely once they get it, there can be a dump, but many people will just hold because it's going up. So today I have some other news which are crypto gems, which I'm going to make also very soon a top gem for 2021 as well. But right now I will gonna tell you it's Mahadao. Price of Mahadao is about 23 cents, and I have been saying that on my Twitter that it's coming from less than 5 cents. $5 and now it's 20 cents, and it can easily go up to 50. So it's already up 63%, is I think already been two up. So you just have to wait for a correction, a major dip, and then you can buy this coin on Uniswap, Ethereum blockchain, and this kind of stuff, or Sushi Swap, or like that. So it's a value coin, and it's have a lot of potential. It's also backed up by DAO. I think you can also guys go and check some, do some research on it as well. I can also make a separate video if you want to hear about that. And the other coin which I like to tell is Polkadot. I mean, Polkadot is the coin which I'm saying you from the top. From that, Polkadot definitely have a potential, and it's recently just have both XRP down, and now it's on top 5 there, and we already been 33% or almost like 80% up in 7 days. I mean, if you have invested in Polkadot, you already been up 80%. That's insane. So just wait for a major dip, and then you can get into this coin. But definitely this can coin have a potential, and it can easily go until 50 US dollar as well in this bull run. I think that's all for today, guys. If you haven't watched my other videos, go and watch. I also have a Phoenix tutorial video which is gonna be popping up, so go and see that, and please leave a comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, watch it until the end, and let me know if you what you like and what you want to see in my next videos. Until that, take care and bye bye.